White gold titanium finish and direct ion technology. Fast drying, smoothness and shine. H11 Oval design, for exceptional straightening, volumizing and styling. Detachable design, easy storage. Easy to pack and goes where you go. Boartech2 Bristles with Refresh3MAX Activated Charcoal. Great for refreshing strands. 3 custom heat settings for personalized heat and fast styling. 9 feet. Professional swivel cord for convenient styling. Includes 1 blowout volumizer attachment, 1 handle. Introducing a hair tool unicorn. The new Hot Tools White Gold 1-step volumizer. Part blow dryer, part styling brush, with an easy-to-pack detachable head. The styling possibilities are endless. Personalized heat means there's a perfect hair match for everyone. It also means a fast styling experience. Choose between 3 custom settings. The oval design and specialized bristles play well with all hair types. Exceptional straightening, refreshing, volumizing and styling is your new routine. A combination of technologies creates a perfect trio of protection, smoothness and shine. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly what you need. I personally cannot dry my hair with both hands, I don't have the arm strength and I have a ton of hair. This little thing is wonderful. A 2-in that actually makes my hair look and feel amazing. Gonna grab my mama one since she likes mine so much.